kitang-kita naman kahit natalo sila sa kanilang game 1. As Lavi Rodriguez is checking into this game, papalitan muna si Miguel.
Who has gone to bench with his 2 personal fouls. Remember, big men operators ay di karami.
Siya Kinyakan, outlet dito sa nakarang konferensya pa. As a foul is whistled on the rebound play, Luiles will be tagged to this end. Shine only with 3 points to show for halfway through this opening quarter.
Now, they're not getting any easy baskets. So the best shot that they had was actually that close-up of Arizona Reed, which actually resulted in that lone field goal.
Mercado, naunahan nga lang ni Luiles sa kanyang pasa. Leads the race to 4, gets it to Luiles. Goes down to gun of the defense. Nakapikang ba ni Williams? 3-on-2 the other way. Lassiter to Mercado. The soul train thwarted by small lead. Pero mananatili naman ang possession dito sa San Miguel. Mercado maglalabas from that baseline looking for steal. Lassiter pulls up off two. That's good.
Not enough separation just when he curled over those screens.
The foul is whistled dito sa kabilang dulo. Pagpasok sa pistuan ni ACV at ni Arvin Santos.
Still not a good flow to offense. And actually, both teams, San Miguel Verde, they have 12 points, but the game itself still lacking much flow.
Lee Rodriguez cutting on that baseline, trying to reverse. Reed for serving. That's good.
Arizona Reed. And you're thinking, not one of the fourth buttresses of the player rather 14 years ago. And the thing with that is, this team got better. This team got better. They got more talent in between all of that.
Pwede mo sabihin, yung unang-unang salang ni ACV dito sa Rainier Shine, doon pa lang sila nagsimula maging contender na halos every conference after that, halos semis na talaga.
Siya pa yung inaasahan ng matindi nun sa unang dating niya. And as the years went by, so the team has gotten better and better.
Reed with the cross pass to Rodriguez. Flip shot, steal,
Nice play though. That's all you can ask for. Have a nice play.
Response pumasok pa sa ating laro. Pinukul kagad si Lassiter. And Marshall steps on that baseline dun sa rebound. Lee being hounded here by Ross. CBL6 pala, nagkakasabayan na yung dalawang yan at Arizona Reed.
Arizona Reed's been very aggressive and he's been rewarded. Couple of points or a couple of field goals, tapos nakakuha rin siya ng maraming foul.
Ross whistle first personal.
Leading by example. Sabi niya nga, he was upset at the loss at the last game, pero dito nakita natin sa laro na to, he's setting the tone.
AC Reed goes 2 for 2 sa pagkakataon na yun. He's got 6 of the 7 points para dito sa Rainier Shine. Miguel still up by 5, looking for Fajardo. No line of sight, wala kay Lassiter. Now Fajardo gets that position. Contra kay Rodriguez. Trying to take it off the dribble. Jaime Ibanez comes out of the scrum. Jaime shovels it out papunta kay Lee. Ross trying to keep in step with him. Ross bothers him enough to swipe it away. Reggie Williams on the move. Ball leads to B. That's a blocking foul. Dito ay Paul. And the basket's good. Bonus play throw coming up.
Same with Reggie Williams. This is the guy that gets scored. He scored in the NBA. Look at this nice move right here. Paul Lee willing to give up his body a little bit too late. Reggie Williams strong enough to get the end one.
Gabe Norwood now on the floor for the first time. Pinalitan si Jaime Ibanez. As Williams missed on that bonus free throw. San Miguel Beerman doubling up on Raider Shy at 14-7 so far. Reed for three. Nice shot that we got. It should set